Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Friends, once again I'm showing you a beautiful dining set here in teak wood in high gloss teak finish. With this video, I'm trying to answer a few questions that our customers, our clients regularly have, a kind of FAQs that you normally have. So first about the size part. A six-seater dining is generally, the standard size is 6 feet by 4 feet dining top. So this would cover 6 by 4 feet area of yours. Now about the chairs. This chair has 4 feet back height and this one is without the cushion at the back. So this has got wood back and the cushion on the seat. And this is double carved unit. I'll show you the double carving later. First the size part. The seating area is 22 by 20 inches. So this is a quite wide seating we have for this chair. So here you can see when I'm sitting on it, it's quite spacious and the space is still visible on both sides. And it has got straight back, so that is the best posture when you have your food. This one is a master chair for the same unit, and this is the regular chair. So master is with handles and regular chair is without handles. Now the double carving thing, it's a heavy chair, so I would need a little strength to turn it here. Now, the beautiful carving that you see on the front, the same is replicated at the back of the unit. And this gives the answer to the second question about the double carving. Why double carving? So, when you have the unit carved from both the sides, it gives a beautiful look to the entire unit. Because dinings are visible from all sides, it has to be accessible from all sides. So a double carving chair looks beautiful as compared to a single carved unit because the back look gives it a different look when you have the unit placed here. Now the highlight of this table, the beautiful pillar design that you see in the shape of a vase. And this is the other highlight apart from the beautiful design that we have on the top putty here. Now, the third question that most of the clients have is about the top part. Here we have a teak ply top. This is not wood top, this is teak ply top. And you would require a glass or a marble or an onyx on top of it. See, polish, paint, all these things are not heat proof. They can be waterproof, but not heat proof. So if you have anything hot when you are serving your meals and something spills it over, so the polish tends to have some marks. So you need something on this like a glass or a marble or an onyx. This is made for a glass. If you are looking to put something like a marble or onyx or some granite kind of thing, so you don't need the top also. So we provide a putty on this side, a strip on this side, on all sides to provide you the support structure. So you simply place a top part on this. Now also, if you are putting a glass on it, we can provide you open structure. So when you look from the top, the pillar design is quite visible. So glass also works that way. So we leave a groove inside and the glass gets fitted inside the groove. Glasses, marbles, onyx, granite, we don't provide because they have issues in transport. So that can be procured locally. So we don't provide it to anyone in any of our stuffs, crockery or mirror frames and any other stuff. We don't provide it. You can procure it locally. Any glass guy or marble guy can do it because they have been doing and they are doing the same thing for everyone. They know how to do it. Now, other thing is about the height part. The height of the table is 30 inches. So once you sit on it, you get enough space to easily have your food. Now, unless you are very tall, this is the standard height and a good height to sit on. But if you are quite tall, you can go for a couple of inches more. So this can be a little higher also. This is 30. You can go up to 32, 33. That can be done. Now the fourth question about the space it would take. See, when we have a 6 by 4 dining table, this is the size of the table and this is the place it will cover. Now the chairs part. Here is a chair with the handles. This handle is 26 inches from the ground. So this handle doesn't go all the way inside the table. So when you are placing two master chairs on both sides, the chair won't go inside, and when you are not using the set, you would require 10 feet of space on this area. And when you are actually using it, you need a few inches more to stretch the legs. This area you require 8 feet of space for the dining. So roughly you require around 11 by 9 feet of space to use a 6-seater dining for the movement as well as for the usage. 11 feet by 9 feet area for easy usage of a dining set. Accordingly, you can calculate if you go for more chairs. Let's say you go for 8-seater unit, you require 8 by 4 feet of space for the table. Accordingly, the space is calculated. Front carving, back carving is your choice. Fabric color is your choice. If you want some other color, we can provide that. Color part. If you want some darker color or you want to go for paints like gold, silver, other colors or shading part, that's your choice. This one is going to Bangalore. So any part of India you want, we can deliver there. The design is in front of you. Everything is clearly visible. All parts are clearly explained. Except the top part, everything is solid teak wood. Everywhere you see is teak wood. Just the top part is ply. Any questions you have about the dining or any other item of ours, you are most welcome to contact us and ask us. We would be happy if you drop in a few comments and let us know how the work is, how we are doing. This is all handwork of our local city, our Saharanpur city, our artisans that are associated with arson for more than 30 years now. The beautiful work that you see here. And we are exporting globally to most of the countries. Our local art going everywhere across the globe. Hope you like it. Request for a few comments of yours. Thank you so much.